Thing to remember when we're doing a side hill is to lean the bike away from the hill. The instinctive thing to do is to lean your bike towards the hill, because then it feels like you're not going to fall down the hill and go tumbling down, which I understand. When it's steep and rocky, you don't want to do that because it's going to hurt. But counterintuitively, if you want more traction on the rear tire, you actually need to angle the bike away from the hill. This means that more of your tire will be digging into the dirt and wider part of the tire will have traction. And this will ensure that your rear tire doesn't slide down the hill.